Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I wanted to share with you my December Ipsy bag and my December Target Beauty box. The Ipsy is a subscription service that used to cost $10 a month. I do believe it is $12 plus tax a month now. And you can get a special deal if you pay a whole year in advance. But I do not do that, I do monthly because I want the option to cancel if I like. I've been with them for 3.5 years, and a few times I've been upset with the product, but overall you get your value and that's fine. It is a subscription service where you fill out a questionnaire and they try to send you 5 beauty items that are tailored to you. Not always do you get 5 items that you like, but for the past 3 or 4 months, I've been able to select one item that I do know that I like in each bag. And they have these great add-ons now where for like $3, you can get sample sizes of other products that you will like. So that's kind of fun. So I think there's 3 add-ons in here. I think I got 3 items. And it normally comes by like the middle of the month. However, my bag got stuck in a city that was like 45 minutes away for 9 days. It didn't get stuck in Compton this time, but it got stuck in Bloomington. Same thing. So anyway, I got my bag yesterday, the 19th of December, and I'm ready to share it with you guys. The Target Beauty Box is not a subscription service. It goes live usually the first Monday of every month. However, I believe this month it went live the second Monday because of the Thanksgiving holiday. You pay $7 a month on average. Very few times there are 2 options, 2 different boxes, which usually cost $7. Very rarely there's a $10 box, but this was $7, $7 plus tax. Normally you order it Monday when they go live, and by Friday it's in your mailbox. However, this time it took a lot longer to get here, and it's probably because of the holidays. This was a $7 box, and you get to see ahead of time what is in these boxes. So if you don't want to take that month, you don't have to. They usually sell out that first or second day, so I'm always awake at 2 o'clock in the morning when they go live, and I just always get it. I try to pay attention to what's inside, but I can't ever remember what's in there. Anyway, but you always get a coupon for $3 off $15 of beauty care products, beauty and hair care products. So $3 comes back to you right off the top. So I'm gonna go with this box. I took the plastic off. It came in a long brown box this time, wrapped in plastic, but I didn't wanna waste you guys' time with that. So this is the box. It's kind of a wintry kind of color. I always save these boxes because they're pretty. Anyway, this is the coupon for 3 off 15, and it talks about the products that are on there. And then this is what is inside. Looks like pretty big samples of shampoo and conditioner, I bet. There was a few months that they weren't, actually last year, all year I think, they weren't wrapping these, and there would be a mess now like every other month. But this month they've wrapped them in plastic, so they're staying nice and closed. These are Ren Pure Plant-Based Beauty Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Condition that thicken and strengthen, which is fantastic. So I probably like these when I order them because my hair is like gotten really thin. I'm on keto for 18 months now, and my hair, which is a common side effect, your hair, like if you don't take biotin and collagen, your hair thins out. And I do take biotin and collagen vitamin-wise supplement, but shampoo, I mean, I'm sure it'll make my hair frizzy, but it's worth a shot. That's probably 2 weeks worth of shampoo and conditioner, so that's great. The next thing is Mixed Chicks Coil Kink and Curl Styling Cream. The last time I got Mixed Chicks items, I gave it to my daughter, whose sister-in-law is half black, half white, and my daughter does a relaxing of her hair and stuff, so I gave her all the products I had gotten, and so I'll just give her this as well. And she likes this stuff, so that is good. This is a Lumine Glow Reveal Moisturizer. Right now I'm using a vitamin C day and night moisturizer by, I don't know who it's by, it's covered. So I'm almost out, so I'll probably be using this very soon. Then there is, I love perfume samples. I know some people hate them, but I love them. This is Good Chemistry Magnolia Violet perfume with essential oils. It has magnolia, peony, and amber. Romantic and captivating. I wonder if I can smell it. I like the spray ones better because I have a really tough time opening these things. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I'm going to put it on and I'll let you know what it smells like after it dries down. But it's, pretty full, little sample. I love perfume samples. Okay, so Biore charcoal pore strip. Well, I never use these. I don't really have blackheads on my nose, but my son does. And at Thanksgiving, we were supposed to go to a cabin that we rented. That didn't work out. That sucked. Wasted tons of money with Airbnb because we got snowed out and I couldn't make it up to the cabin. So we then rented a local hotel that had an indoor pool so we could at least have fun as a family. So my daughter came, my son came, and we all did facials. And my son used the last one of these that I had gotten, and it didn't work on his face, but maybe they're good. I don't know, but he'll give that a shot again, I'm sure, even though he hates when I make him do facial stuff. Okay, here's a 2-step hair mask by Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. Step 1 restores, shines, and deep conditions, and step 2 seals cuticles. So, okay, that is it. So there's 2 hair products. This mask, the shampoo and conditioner, the biotin collagen shampoo and conditioner by Ren Pure. This perfume sample by Good Chemistry, and it's very florally, not my cup of tea, but you know, I'll use it because I love perfume samples. And then this Mixed Chick Styling Cream, which I'll give away, and this moisturizer. So that is it from Target, along with the 3 off 15, and I'm out of shampoo and conditioner, so I will definitely be using that. Actually, I think tomorrow I'll be out of shampoo and conditioner, so I'll definitely be using that coupon. Anyway, here's the Ipsy bag. I try to use the coupon with sales, and like if they have like a buy 3 get a $5 back on Target stuff, and I bought it at the same time, so I don't ever pay full price for a hair product, or anything for that matter. As much as I possibly can, I do not spend full price. Okay, so it's a shiny pleather bag with a dark green velvet, no, this is leatherish Ipsy zipper and pull tab. I don't like it. I have all the ones from all year long, and I have not used one of them. Okay, so here is the theme of the month, Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. And then they put your product information right there, just like the Target, and Birchbox does that. Let me share with you, I got 3 add-ons, and there's only 2. Maybe they're in the bag. Okay, well, I purposely added this. I kind of like the last one, the last temp one that I got. Right now, I'm actually using, I wonder if I can reach it. Oh my God, I'm making too much of a scene here. I am using the hemp lip balm, and I swear, I don't know, I live in California where marijuana is freely, you know, smoked and such. And so it's the potpourri of California. You smell pot everywhere. And so I don't know if it's that I'm smelling, but I swear in this hemp's lips, when I put it on, I swear I smell pot. And I don't think, and obviously I guess I'm smelling hemp, right? I don't know, whatever. It smells like pot when I put it on my lips. And so it just smells like everybody else around here. Anyway, so this is hemp, sweet pineapple, and honey melon body moisturizer. The last time I had one, it was like pineapple, and it smelled really good. Now this does not smell like pot. It smells fruity, so that's fine. So I will definitely be using that. And I paid $3 as an add-on for that. I also added this on, which is the CC Beauty Cream from, who is that? By It Cosmetics. Right in front of me. Right now I'm using Organic Wear BB Cream in light. And it doesn't really cover the lupus rash, so you can see it coming through a little bit. But it's pretty good to my skin tone. It's really light feeling. Anyway, so I thought I would try the CC cream because I do have a sample. Oh, it's really kind of dark though. I do have another sample, but I think it was like medium from them, and it makes my face look way too tanned. It's not a good thing for this season, but it will be good for summertime. Okay, that's really kind of dark. Whoa. So does I wonder if BB cream and CC cream blend in. I'm going to use the back of my beauty blender. Oh, that is not going to match me even in the summer. Okay, well, that is too dark. That is like as dark as the other sample that I have. So, and it's really kind of thin. And look at, like, you can see my veins still popping through there. Well, that sucks. Okay, so I'm not going to like that. Okay, so let me look inside the bag and see if maybe that other add-on is in there. Okay, so I got Little Moon Peppermint Stick Frosty Lip Balm. Okay. Oh, ooh, it smells really good. And it smells really good. It's smooth. I like it. It's not colored or anything. Okay, I like it. Who is that by? Oh, I already told you, Little Moon. So, okay, that's fine. Next thing is, oh, no, okay, this is the other add-on. This is my favorite primer, I think. The Professional Pore Primer, Smoothing Face Primer. Just a little tiny sample in there. I paid $3 for it, and it's my favorite. It actually does fill in my pores. And ever since, actually even before the nose surgery, I had really big pores on my nose, and it just seemed to get worse after the nose surgery. So I love this stuff. Let's see. Okay, so the next thing is Skin Regiment Night Detox Overnight Pro Vitality Mask. Do you like put it on and take it off or something? Rinse in the morning. So it's a night mask that you put on and then rinse off in the morning. Lately, if it says that, I don't actually rinse it off in the morning and nothing is wrong with my face. I don't break out with it, which is surprising because normally I break out with everything. This is Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. Oh, what if I could put some bronzer on right now? I just have blush and highlight on right now. Oh, I have Tarte blush on right now. So, let's see what the bronze. I don't think I have any Tarte bronzer. I love that blush though. It's pretty good for my pinky color. That's the bronzer. I'm just gonna use my blush brush. Oh, by the way, I started using a couple of my new brushes that I've not new. They're like 3 years old to me, but I started finally breaking into actually using my brushes. I also gave my niece, who loves makeup as well, I gave her a bunch of the ones that I knew I would never use. So I'm trying. I'm a hoarder of brushes though, I swear. I just want to keep them all pretty. Oh, that is not the way you're supposed to put on bronzer, but oh well. I'm like contouring way below my cheekbone. So don't do this at home, kids. God. I have lost quite a bit of weight. Over 18 months, I have lost 96 pounds. And my face is still fat. Like, look at that. Even trying to give myself fake cheekbones, my face is still really fat. Oh well. I'm sure this will be fine when I have the right brush and do it before I put the blush on. Oh well, I'm sure it'd be fine. It's really light to the touch, so I like that about Tarte. You don't need a lot to use either. You don't have to rub your brush very often or very deep. Okay, another little box. Banana Beige. Oh, pressed eyeshadow. I was thinking banana powder. Banana Beige pressed eyeshadow by Phase Zero. Why does everything come in these little boxes? Oh, my hands are so cracked. It is crazy. I have all these cuts in it and stuff, so touching things just hurts so bad. It is very well packaged. Oh, I'm just gonna open my teeth because, oh, there we go. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of a sparkly color. I have my eyeshadow brush right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but okay. Well, I already have a sparkly light. The balm on my eye. Well, I already have eyeshadow stuff on, so this is probably not a good idea. But that's kind of shiny. Yeah. I wouldn't normally put shiny up there though. I would put it on my lid, but my mascara's already on, so I don't want to do that. Anyway, that's kind of pretty. Put it on my hand. Oh, you can't hardly tell that. Ooh, it's kind of hard. When you put it on your finger, it's kind of, it's not smooth. But it went on nicely. It went on smooth, and it took to the brush really nicely. So that is really kind of a light color, isn't it? I should do that with the bronzer to show you guys, because I don't know if you could see it even on my face. Okay, so this is the bronzer, and I'm just going to put it right in there. Now that is smooth. So, okay. that is that. I got a Tarte bronzer, a Phase Zero banana eyeshadow. I got this Skin Regiment moisturizing mask. I got this Little Moon peppermint stick. It says peppermint stick. Lip balm, the Hemp's moisturizer. That was an add-on, and then the Professional primer, and the CC cream, which is just not gonna match me at all. But that is it. That is my products for the month from Target and Ipsy. I hope you all have a happy holiday, no matter what it is that you celebrate. Happy Merry Christmas and Happy Kwanzaa and Happy Hanukkah and whatever else you celebrate, and Happy New Year to everybody. I swear I'm still trying to figure out the logistics of doing a 23andMe video. I had a great breakthrough the other day. A cousin contacted me that we share a second great grandfather that I have been blocked on forever. I even went to Colorado to get the death certificate, trying to find out his father's name, because I just can't get, they're from Germany, the name was spelt differently when they got here, and then everybody else has a different spelling of it. And so we share a great grandparent, and she has a Bible of her grandmother, which that would be their child, and she's wondering if in the Bible, when she can find the Bible, that maybe the parents of her mother and father are in there. So that was a fantastic breakthrough, and I hope that she can find the Bible and maybe see their names in there, because family members used to record births and deaths and marriages in their family Bible, which is a wonderful thing to do. So hopefully I can break through on it. But why I hesitate is specifically on Ancestry, my tree is there, and that's an example that I want to show you because it's important, because it doesn't offer it on 23andMe to the extent that you get on Ancestry, and I need to somehow block out names, because one of my brothers in particular would not want anybody to know his name, and I just need to not share that with everybody because they didn't sign up for this, I did. And so I don't know how to blur. And so I thought maybe if I just put a piece of paper on the left hand side, but once you move the tree, you could then see the names as you go further in or up or down. So I don't know what to do. My son said there's a way to blur it. And so he's trying to download something on my laptop and making me figure out how to use it. But I will get to it one of these days, I swear. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for your year of support, your many years of support to some of you. And I will see you in January. We actually just today closed escrow on a new house, so I'm going to be busy for the next few weeks getting it livable. It's livable, but I mean, I need new flooring. I cannot walk on carpet because of my condition. So we have to put new flooring in, and then we can move in. So in mid-January we'll be moving. So I'm going to be busy for the next few weeks, but I will share with you guys as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and again, happy holidays to you all, and much love. Bye-bye.